Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have this fantastic cooler. This cooler is unlike any cooler I've ever seen. This is the most elite cooler I've ever seen. I've ever had the opportunity to show you or to try. It is by the brand SPARTER. There's the branding there. It is heavy, it's solid. It's a wonderful cooler. It is soft. It is fabric on the outside, see? And so, you know, coolers can be very heavy, and of course this is on the heavy side, but that just shows you how it will keep things cold. I watched a video from this company, and they kept ice in here on the back of a truck in 100-degree heat for over 2 days, and the ice was still good 2 days later. So let me show you the features of this. It has this handle here, and it has this this type thing on here that'll help you with a grip, you know, so it's easier on your hand. So these handles are webbing that is going to stay and very wonderfully stitched. There are loops here where you can batten this down in your truck if you want to, or on the boat, that type of thing. There's some loops like that on both sides. And it also has a crossbody strap, which I'll show you when we get into it. So the top of it has the branding on it as well, SPARTER. And it has this fantastic zipper. It has this pull, so you can easily use the zipper. And it has this wonderful interlocking zipper. It locks wonderfully. They do also send this tie zip. This is a lubricant because you want to make sure that zipper lasts you forever. So you have to lubricate it every so often. Especially, you know, you use a cooler, you don't use a cooler every day. Most people don't. So when you put it away, you want to lubricate it next time you use it. So when you open this up, this is what it looks like inside. Look at this thick foam at the top. It's going to keep everything in there cool. What will fit in here are 2 6-packs, a 6-pack and then one on top. So you can put a 6-pack of something that you love, your beverage of choice, and then some sandwiches and, you know, food, things like that. That's what it looks like inside. It did come with a lubricant. It has this shoulder strap, which will hook onto a nice hook, nice and strong hook that'll hook here. And it has this for your shoulder so that you don't strain yourself. And it is adjustable, so depending on how far down you want it to go when you're holding it. And then it also comes with this ice pack. So you can leave this in your freezer all the time so that you're ready to go when it's time to go. See, it's the perfect fit. It has that blue coolant in it. There is, let me show it to you the correct way, SPARTER. There's their branding on it, and it is really good size. I was so impressed at how long it holds things cold. So if you are a camper, if you go boating, and some people boat overnight, so they fish early morning, you can carry all kinds of things in here, your bait, you know, all kinds of things. So this goes back here. It fits perfectly in the bottom. I would just keep that in the freezer all the time, so I'm always ready to go. And see, it fits perfectly in the bottom. And then this, if you can see how thick the walls are for the insulation, it's incredible how long it will keep your food and your beverages cold. And like I said, your bait or anything like that. If you are like me, where you have to go, if you want to go to one of those big box stores like Sam's Club or Costco, I have to drive at least an hour. And when it's 100 degrees outside and you do that, something like this is perfect because you could put your meat in here and it'll stay cold until you get home, and well past. If you forget it in the car, it'll stay cold in here overnight. I've done that before. I get home and I unpack the car and I forget something, and I'll go back and it's ruined. But if I have my meat or something in here, I got a great deal on some steaks, have them in here, they'll still be good the next day. It's really incredible. So I just had to show this to you. This was sent to me by my friend Polaris, who sent me a beautiful piece of luggage not too long ago. And this is just the most elite cooler I've ever seen. It is portable, soft cooler, holds 12 cans. It's leak proof. The zipper is leak proof for camping, fishing, beach, outdoors, insulated ice chest with reusable ice pack. And it does say you can, it's easy to clean. You can put ice directly in here if you like to. You don't have to use that if you don't want to. You can put ice, and then your drinks will be, in the ice. It'll stay nice and cold because this is wipeable material, very easy to clean. If anything gets in it, you can very easily clean it with some warm water and some soap, a little bit of soap to get it clean. And it says that it's long time insulation. Yeah, I mean more than 2 days. And it's 100% waterproof. And it holds a lot of things. You don't have to put your drinks in here if you don't want to. You can just put a bunch of food in here. Go on a picnic, take your food, whatever you want, you can put in here. And I just am so impressed with this. It is beautiful. It came in different colors. It comes in all black, and it comes in this two-tone. And I'm sorry about that. The cats are playing, I guess. And it comes in a, I think a blue shade or something. And it's just really very handsome looking, very nice. And that is the Spartan soft cooler. I forgot to show you this fabulous zipper. So this is what you hold on to, and if you can see this, the way that it links together, so it's completely waterproof. If you had this accidentally, it fell over in your truck, in your vehicle, it is not going to leak because of this fantastic saw type mesh seal to the zipper. That's why you need to make sure it stays lubricated. And they send you the lubrication, which is really cool. It's just really nice. And this helps you pull the zipper. Isn't that cool? So check it out, y'all. I'll have the link below. This is on Amazon. And it is just, if you need a cooler that's going to really work. I know some of y'all drive cross country. Some of y'all don't like to fly. And you'll drive from Florida to California, or you'll drive from California to New York, and you need to keep things cold. This is the one for you. It will last. This will last you forever. It'll last forever. Like I said, it's 100% leak proof. And here, keep cold up to 72 hours. I saw a video that they went 2 nights into the 3rd day, and it really does. So check it out, y'all, and I'll have the information below. And thank you so much to Polaris for sending this to me. It's super cool. Y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.